this morning, an 8 on your side warning about your safety on our roads. Incidents like the one you see here, when an angry driver plowed over a motorcycle rider, they're happening more often. Now, that's according to a new study by AAA.
The company found nearly 80% of us admit to showing road rage at least once in the past year. Jamel Lene joins us now in the studio. And Jamel, people need to hear this before they head out on the roads.
Well, definitely need to hear it. Obviously, I'm guilty of it. I think we all are guilty of it at some point. And AAA says that most common behavior, people tailgating on purpose or yelling at other drivers. 2,705 drivers all over the age of 16 took the survey. A third admitted to making angry gestures towards other drivers. 1 in 4 drivers reported they blocked other drivers from changing lanes. And nearly 12% said they purposely cut someone off. Now, you may remember this most recent road rage incident where a driver ran over a motorcyclist and his passenger back in May in Pasco County. Troopers say words were exchanged between Paul Ryan Vance and the motorcyclist. Others say that he was a habitual traffic offender. They charged him with attempted murder. Now, fortunately, in that case, the motorcyclist only walked away with minor injuries. And coming up in the next half hour, I'll tell you what other bad driving habits that made that list.
I'm sure it's a long list because there's a lot of bad drivers out there, but I think we need to